Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey there, Voyagers, and welcome to Girona. Girona, Spain is a beautiful city with a rich history and plenty to offer. Here are some of the best things to do while in Girona. Number 10. Stroll the Old Town. Walking through Girona's Old Town is like entering a living storybook. Cobblestone streets wind through a maze of medieval buildings, each with its own tale to tell. Vibrant flowers spill from window boxes, adding a splash of color to the ancient stone facades. Quaint shops beckon with unique treasures, while hidden plazas invite you to linger and soak in the atmosphere. Every corner reveals a new discovery, from centuries-old churches to charming cafes. The sense of history is palpable. With each step, you're transported back in time. It's a leisurely stroll that leaves you enchanted, wishing for more time in this captivating place. Number 9. Visit the Cathedral. Girona's cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, rising majestically in the heart of the city. Its towering spires and intricate facade command attention. Inside, a sense of awe washes over you as light filters through stained glass, painting the interior with a kaleidoscope of colors. The nave stretches high, adorned with ornate altars and ancient tombs. A serene courtyard offers a moment of respite, surrounded by cloisters echoing with centuries of prayers. Climbing the steps rewards you with a breathtaking panorama of Girona. This sacred space is a testament to the city's rich history and a must-visit for any traveler. Number 8. Walk along the city walls. The city walls of Girona offer a journey through time, wrapping the old town in an embrace of history. As you ascend, the stone ramparts unveil a commanding view of the red-tiled roofs and picturesque alleys below. The breeze carries whispers of centuries past, inviting contemplation of the lives once lived within these protective walls. Each step leads to a new vantage point, revealing the rugged beauty of Catalonia's landscape. Towering bastions stand sentinel, reminding visitors of a time when defense was paramount. It's a leisurely stroll, but one that imparts a profound sense of the city's enduring spirit and resilience. Number 7. Eiffel Bridge. The Eiffel Bridge is a fusion of engineering marvel and architectural grace. Designed by Gustav Eiffel's illustrious company, this ironwork masterpiece spans the Onyar River in Girona. Its lattice of iron girders stands as a testament to both form and function, gracefully arching over the water. As the sun sets, the bridge takes on a golden hue, casting reflections on the tranquil river below. It's a meeting point of past and present, where Girona's ancient charm harmoniously coexists with modern engineering prowess. Crossing it is a passage through history, offering breathtaking views of the city's colorful riverside homes. Number 6. Explore the Arab Baths. The Arab Baths in Girona transport visitors to a bygone era of Moorish elegance and tranquility. Tucked away in a corner of the city, these thermal baths are a testament to exquisite Islamic architecture. The stone arches and columns create a serene ambiance, while the star-shaped skylight casts gentle patterns of light and shadow. Imagining the whispers of centuries past, one can almost feel the soothing waters that once embraced weary travelers. It's a place where time seems to stand still, inviting contemplation of the cultural tapestry that shaped Girona. Exploring the Arab Baths is a journey into a world of historical richness and architectural beauty. Number 5. Museu d'Art Nacional de Catalunya. The Museu d'Art Nacional de Catalunya is a treasure trove of artistic expression, spanning centuries and styles. Housed in a majestic edifice, it showcases a diverse collection from Romanesque relics to contemporary creations. The galleries breathe with life, each canvas and sculpture telling a story, evoking emotions and reflecting the evolution of human creativity. The interplay of light and shadow accentuates the details, offering a sensory feast for art enthusiasts. It's a place of reflection and inspiration where brushstrokes and chisel marks become windows into the soul of the artists. It's a cultural gem, a sanctuary for those who seek to be moved by the power of art. Number 4. San Daniel Stairs. The San Daniel Stairs offer a journey both physical and spiritual. Climbing this ancient stone staircase is a testament to endurance and curiosity. As you ascend, the cityscape unfolds, revealing terracotta roofs and distant hills. The worn steps bear witness to countless footsteps, each leaving a mark on this historic passage. At the summit, a tranquil oasis awaits, embraced by verdant foliage and the timeless echoes of the past. It's a sanctuary for contemplation where the rhythm of modern life fades into a distant hum. The San Daniel Stairs are a reminder that sometimes the most rewarding paths are the ones less trodden. Number 3. Visit a winery. Visiting a winery in Girona is a sensory journey through the heart of Catalonia's winemaking tradition. The rolling vineyards, bathed in sunlight, stretch as far as the eye can see. A guided tour unveils the meticulous process of winemaking from the vine to the barrel. The intoxicating aroma of aging wine fills the air in the cool cellars. Tastings offer a symphony of flavors with notes of the region's terroir dancing on the palate. Sipping a glass of local wine amidst the picturesque landscape is a toast to the passion and craftsmanship that defines Girona's winemaking culture. It's a sip of Catalonia's soul. Number 2. Cycle the Greenway. Cycling the Greenway, or Via Verda, is a journey of natural splendor and historical resonance. This converted railway track weaves through Catalonia's countryside, framed by lush landscapes and picturesque villages. The gentle incline and smooth path make it accessible to all riders, offering a leisurely pace to soak in the scenery. Vineyards, olive groves, and meandering rivers create a serene backdrop, while occasional remnants of the railway's industrial past add a touch of nostalgia. It's a ride through time and nature, an intimate exploration of Girona's rural beauty, and a reminder that some of the best adventures unfold at a gentle, pedal-powered pace. Number 1. Onyar River. The Onyar River is Girona's liquid soul, winding its way through the heart of the city. Lined with a kaleidoscope of colorful houses, it's a living canvas that defines Girona's charm. Reflections dance on its surface, mirroring centuries of history. Stone bridges arch gracefully over its waters, connecting old and new. Locals and visitors alike find solace in its banks, where the rhythm of the city slows. Ducks glide along, adding a touch of nature to the urban scene. At sunset, the Onyar is aglow with a warm, golden light, casting a spell that lingers long after the day fades. It's Girona's gentle, flowing heartbeat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.